Maximum weight capacity, 500 pounds, 228 kilograms. 1.5 NPT thread compatible. Scratch-resistant epoxy powder coat finish. Professional quality. Top reviews from the United States. Does what it needs to. Very sturdy. Not much to say. It's a metal threaded rod and it does its job well. Sturdy material and plenty of thread, so I feel my ceiling mounted projector is well secured. Awesome quality. This is great if you want a quality pipe that you know is going to fit and look great with your mount. I needed to extend how far my projector was from the ceiling, and this was the perfect length for me. It matches the rest of the mount, so it looks great, and also came pre-greased, so it went on smooth. I would definitely recommend this over some generic pipe which I couldn't even find an equivalent at Home Depot. If you need to extend your mount, do yourself a favor and get this. Excellent powder coating finish. All mounts are not created equal. I was very impressed with the design as well as the build quality of the mount. My previous setup used a chief mount extension, which did not have the level of finish and fit of the QualGear mount. Excellent powder coating finish, packed well for shipping, and the removable plastic cable access port is very well engineered. Definitely will look for QualGear products for my next installation.